Welcome to our channel where we explore the world of communication and how it can be used to influence others. Today, we're going to talk about the power of language and how to use it to make a lasting impact on those around us. Whether you're a business professional, a teacher, or just looking to improve your social skills, this video is for you. So let's get started. Effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. It allows us to connect with others, build relationships, and achieve our goals. But what is it that makes some people better communicators than others? The answer is simple: the ability to influence others through our words and actions. So, how can we use our communication to influence others? Well, let's start with the basics. First, it's important to understand that effective communication is about more than just speaking. It's also about listening and understanding the perspective of the other person. When we listen actively, we're able to understand their needs and concerns and tailor our message accordingly. Another key aspect of influencing others through communication is the use of body language. Our body language can communicate as much, if not more, than our words. By using confident and open body language, we can convey our message more effectively and establish trust with the other person. But perhaps the most important aspect of influencing others through communication is the use of persuasive language. Persuasive language is the art of using words and phrases to convince others to see things from our perspective. For example, using words like you and your can make the other person feel more connected to the message, while using words like I and me can make it seem more self-serving. Of course, these are just a few examples of how to influence others through communication. The key is to find the approach that works best for you and to practice it consistently. Whether you're trying to persuade a client, a colleague, or a friend, the ability to communicate effectively can make all the difference. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use your communication to influence others. Remember, effective communication is a skill that can be developed and honed over time. So keep practicing and don't be afraid to try new things. Until next time.